Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe we are going to prepare is tomato curry. So we'll see the ingredients now. We have oil, mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, some curry leaves, here I have taken in 1.5 medium-sized onions and 3.5 medium-sized tomatoes, and I have finely chopped them together. You can see them there. Then we have red chili powder, sambar powder, salt, and that's the vessel I'm going to use it for cooking. So let's start cooking here. So we turn on the flame and keep it as medium. To this I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding here half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half a teaspoon of chana dal. And half a teaspoon of urad dal. So we can see that the mustard seeds is starting to splutter. Now I add in 1 sprig of curry leaves. Give it a good mix. Now I add in the onions and the tomatoes. The onions and the tomatoes need not be finely chopped, as I have told in my tomato rice recipe. It can be a little, not larger chunks, but medium chunks is fine. So because as the tomatoes cook, it will start to reduce in its size. So it need not be finely chopped, but it should be chopped well, that's it. So we mix in all the ingredients together. So we'll cover it and allow the onions and the tomatoes to cook. Check in intervals. It'll take a bit time, but keep on checking it in the intervals and stir it in between and check whether it is cooked. So now it has been boiling on medium flame for about 10 minutes, and we can see that the onions are done. So now we reduce the flame to low. I'm adding here some salt and about 2.5 teaspoons of sambar powder. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add a bit more red chili powder according to your taste preference. If you want it to taste a bit more masala type, you can add in about 3 teaspoons of sambar powder instead of 2.5. So instead of 2.5, you can add in 3 teaspoons of sambar powder if you want it a bit more masala type of taste. Give it a good mix. We are keeping the flame as low here and cover it up and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. So you can see that the oil has separated from the mixture. So, and all the ingredients have come together and the tomatoes have become soft. Give it a good mix. So now we switch off the flame and your tomato curry is done. You can have it with chapati or you can have it with rice since it is a gravy form. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you would try out this recipe. So if you did like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you next time. Also check out my other videos here, and thanks for watching. Bye.